Hey Queens, it's your girl Kanisha and I am back with another video. In this video, I will be doing a spread for my horizontal creative planner. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Hey Queen, so we are back with another planner spread. So as I stated in a previous video on my mini happy planner for this set, I said I was going to do this in the horizontal classic spread, and here is what we're going to do. So using the same set of stickers, I just wanted to see what I can create and how differently it would look from the spread that I created for my mini happy planner using this same set. So let's jump right into this and see what I can create. I hope you all are doing great. I hope everyone enjoys this video, and if you do just so happen to like this video, I hope that you consider hitting that like, subscribe, or leaving me a comment and let me know what you think of this spread. Oh, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload content. So what I did, I wanted to use a different girl for my bottom from the one I did for my mini happy planner spread. I wanted to use this one at first initially for that spread, but I went with another girl, and I'm just going to try something different to see what I can come up with. So I'm going to start off with the boxes next. I know I started off with the girls, placing the girls that I want to place on there, but I'm going to use these boxes that I used for my last spread just to use them up and not have to have the extra sheet missing. So I'm just going to try to use the boxes that I can on this sheet. And these are just the sticker sheet that I had left over from my previous spread I did for the mini happy planner. So I'm just going to try to use these up instead of starting on a new sheet and using those boxes. Let's utilize what we have. So I'm just going to start with this box here, and I'm going to slant it, and that's the darker red box. It's like a burgundy box, and I'm just going to try to pair it. And y'all know I have been really loving slanting those boxes as well as that one in the corner. I really like the way it looks. And here I am just going to add a pink box to try to match the other side and try to make the colors equal. I don't know if I should use the word equal, but we're going to kind of balance it out on each side of the page, trying to use the same amount of colors, the same colors on each side, if that makes sense. Okay, Queen, so this is what I have created with the sticker set. This sticker set is on my Etsy store. And here is the final spread with the holes punched in and it is cut. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment, hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload content. And thanks for watching, Queens. Bye.